Hey, it's me, John Lee Schwed, and today I'm here for a free facial massage, so let's do this.
Where are you from?
Kuwait.
From Kuwait?
Yeah.
You're a vlogger. Where do you live here in the Philippines?
I was born here. Right.
Show me in your vlog. Hi guys, I will do facial for him. Okay, I will try this for you. Then if you like it, you can buy this, okay?
Alright.
Are you ready?
I'm not here to buy, I just want to try.
I will try it, then you will go to buy. Okay?
Okay.
This is good for your skin. This one, hold it. That one only I'm gonna offer you. How old are you?
16.
16. Where's your parents?
I only live with my uncle.
Are you live with your uncle?
Yeah.
You have a lot of blackheads, so it's good for your blackheads, dry skin, and dead skin.
Alright.
You're so handsome. Look at in the mirror. It makes your skin brighten up and you remove your dark spot, your dry skin and dead skin. So dirty. Look at the mirror.
Okay, cool. What about the forehead?
Huh?
The forehead. But it almost touches my ear.
Huh?
This thing almost touches my ear.
This thing?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah. And I finished, dudes. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. See you next video.